Line.
Monster.
Oh, fuck. There you go. How's that?
Why'd you change it?
Where is it? Somehow acquire victory royale. That's all.
Appreciate you. Let's see.
Taste and breakfast.
Right now? Gotcha.
Oh my
It was
God,
kind of a
bro,
weak
this
one, but I
game's on both
tried.
sides. Sounds like Kaban might be.
I'm out.
Okay, there we go. I burped. What's up, Squid?
There you go.
Challenge accepted.
I can still feel it. Do another, same energy. Now I'll just chug it. Look, Coke is really good too because it's super fizzy. We're trying to get a nice one in there. Oh. Beer bong it. He went and bitched out. I didn't full bitch out. I mean, I chugged half that Coke. Now I can feel it building up though. You guys did this to me. Was that even a burp? Wait. No, that was a legit burp.
Are you following me?
He did it. That's... Why don't you just paint me like one of your girls? Like one of your French girls. I feel so used. What a... Thank you so much for the follow, Squidding. Oh, man. Burp. Did it? Duh, got the follow. Like, holy hell. Oh, here it goes. I can feel it building. Poor Squidding. Hey, listen. You don't come into my channel and say, bet you won't. Alright? Double dog dare ya. Okay? There's very few double dog dare lists that I won't accomplish. Ugh. Chat begging for farts and beer bongs. Bet you won't play WOM. God, I gotta go. I gotta go. Double dog dare ya. So, okay, so we are gonna go early. I'm not gonna play WOM tonight. The only reason I'm telling you guys that I'm not gonna play WOM tonight is because tomorrow we're doing a Friday stream. I don't typically do Friday streams. And I do not have a get off time. I don't have to get up at 10 for work. I don't have to do anything Saturday. So tomorrow, I'm literally going to stream until I have no viewers, which happens quite often. But no, I'm going to stream until my mods disappear. And the only reason I'm going to stream until my mods disappear, because if I don't have a mod, I told you guys, right, that I need one of you to change it to a sleeping stream when I pass out. I always learn, yeah, Paulie, but you got to stay awake longer than me. Because if I fall asleep in my chair like this, I need someone to change it to a sleeping stream. That way Twitch thinks I did it on purpose. And then we get viewers. Tell me the commands. Tell me the commands. Oh, shit. So, yeah, we're gonna go until bedtime. Passed out stream tomorrow. I have to go to the lab on Saturday, though. Actually, staying awake. Someone set an alarm. But, yeah, no, I'm gonna try and stream, straight degenerate style. So, tonight I need to get some sleep because I showed you guys my sleep study things that I've been doing, right? You guys need to see those again. Where I've gotten, like, a total of... How many... Look, we'll do it again. If you guys don't... Look. This is this week's sleep. I started tracking this on Monday. And Monday I was like, you know what? We're going to change our lives for the better. Look at that. 5 hours, 44 minutes. I said, dang.
Yeah, I can't really. I mean, I can burp on command, but there you go. How about that?
Now? No, I really don't need to burp.
Fuck it. So neck it all, right? I think that's what we're saying. Here goes. Jesus Christ. Dunzo.
Oh. Oh. Oh, it felt cold. Huh. I am glad.
Trying to chug this 20.
Yeah, I'm finished.
That's what.
God!
Excuse me. That's your behind the scenes. That's what you get. I'm sorry.
Eating spaghetti on the porch.
Oh my god!
Yeah. Just how Duke would have wanted it. Yes! Squid Ink. Thanks for the follow, bro. Thank you so much. How crazy is this beard, right? I think I've only been growing it for about a bit under a year and a half, I reckon. Alright. I think I'm gonna put another game on. What have I got? Let's have a look. Duke Nukem was
quarantine wall shortly after the outbreak.
The global relief effort's steady stream of supply drops has sustained what few survivors remain in the city. The Ministry of Defense believes.
Oh wow, don't tell me we can't change the
What
What do you mean 31?
Ask the boss.
Oh. Yeah, baby. Squid Ink. Have a good day at work, my friend.
Like your beard, and I dare you to burp right now. It was a week. Yeah, I don't think chugging water does it, because, like, I feel like if I chug water and then try to burp, I'll probably just vomit all over my,
I dare you to burp right now.
Give me a second here. I can belch when I'm drinking, but it's a little too early for that. I still got shit to do today. But I appreciate it. And I appreciate the compliment on the beard. Thanks, man.
What? Dare me to burp? What the fuck are we talking about?
I haven't either, but it should be available on Vudu, right?
I don't think so. It's still in theaters in Gold City. I mean,
No.
watch a movie at the house, dude.
Oh, that hit me with a smell. That is disgusting. Oh.
I'm trying to get one of them deep ones. Usually I can breathe or inhale enough, you can hear my lungs deflate.
That is nasty.
There it was. Got it. You good, dude?
Okay. Could do that. And then... See, the problem is that... Ooh. It's interesting. I didn't know you could do that. F? Oh, what was that? These emote. Wow.
Beard, and I dare you to burp right now. Squiddy and Coo, how's it going? I dare you to burp? I can't really burp on command, sorry.
Right now, I'm not gonna burp, because I don't do that stuff. So, fun fact about me,
Dude, I can't burp. I'm fucking... I've just coughed my guts up.
Alright, hold on one sec. I'm working on it. Man, not my best. It was a burp though.
Good job.
Oh, thanks, Squid Ink.
There we go. It's easy. You just force a little air down your stomach and...
And I dare you to burp right now. There you go.
Okay. Let me see if I can't.
Not over. Come to the skull.
Might be able to. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, what the fuck?
That was just one on command.
Any moment now, that orb is going to explode.
Excuse me. There's a request from chat to burp. So I had to figure something out. Yeah, so I had to drink a little bit of water and try to make something happen. The fuck?
Can't really burp right now. Jeez, man. That's a lot of pressure on the man. Appreciate the beard comment, but it's a pretty tame beard right now that I have. Yo, can...
Yeah.
Yeah, no. I can't just burp on demand. It's hard.
To put one of my guys I watch it. Beard is awesome and I dare you to burp right now. Dude, if I burp right now, I'm gonna throw the fuck up. I can't force that shit. Sorry, Squid. Yeah, so I might want to let y'all know I am streaming so you don't say no fucked up shit.
Oh, yeah?
Try not to, at least.
What was it?
I don't want to have to unpublish shit.
I don't have any burps yet.
That's crazy. I don't want to puke. I don't want to puke all over my keyboard.
That's going.
I needed that one.
But yeah, so no, she at first she gave me the phone.
One fucking negative.
She gave me my phone back with like Amazon pulled up. She had $1,000 worth of fucking bullshit on it. I was like,
What?
I was like, hell the fuck no. Like, take a bunch of shit off. And she was like, what's my budget? I was like, well, it's definitely not half that. Go less. And she brought it back and it was like, first it was like $425. I was like, take some shit off, dude. Like, you don't need this much shit. And then she got it down to where she was. And I was like, all right, that's cool, whatever. She's pre-planning buying shit for like winter time. So I was like, and my ex-wife came on the story. She's like, you look like a fucking idiot, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, I bet you I get 3 compliments from Target. And she was like, no, you're full of shit. Right when we walk in, a guy goes, dude, that's a badass shirt. She's like, that doesn't count. It was a guy. I was like, it's still a compliment counting it. Went around the corner in the
Homies get
section,
the homies.
And this mom goes,
That's
oh
going
my
in.
God, I love that shirt. That's such a dad shirt. And I was like, that's two. Two, but no cigar.
Here we go. Let's see what this guy does.
So it's got a bit of a run. I mean, to be fair, I did burp, but it was because I was jumping around to the song and the beer.
The beers. Brought to you by Coors Banquet.
Coors Banquet, the bestest of beers, come straight from the Rocky Mountains.
You have to do this. Did you do a cheesy swap then? You did. Okay, I forgot you had a little lag on it. Yeah.
Hybrid on this one.
She did that.
Oh.
That is crisp banquet beer right there.
Squid, are you into burping or what? Is that like your thing?
'Twas a good burp. Yeah.
Love some good squid. Little squid jabbing the gut.
Right down the pipe, too much.
Someone's trying to get ready for the next hole.
Let's see what happens.
That's what she said. It's a good joke, but no. It's a good joke.
But no.
But no.
5-iron on display for this one.
Oh. Oh.
No, I don't have the
Bold
juice. You
move,
guys
Cotton.
got them super
This will be
sticks.
its second shot.
You know you can change your clubs, right?
You
And,
just
like,
gotta up your fittings. I don't know what I'm doing with it either. I just put power on everything.
Up on your directional pad. Wait, are you using controller or mouse and keyboard, Joe?
Yes! Yes!
Get
Push
with
up
the
on the
goddamn
directional
program
pad.
there, cheater.
yeah, he ordered that.
We've got 4 legends of the gaming.
To burp right now.